Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sir English Language. My name is Maya.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today, we have a very important topic.
Very important. Today, we are going to talk about speaking.
Yes, speaking English. Many of you can understand English. You can listen to podcasts, you can watch movies, you can read books. But when you try to speak, something happens.
Your brain stops. You freeze. The words don't come out.
Exactly. And that is okay. That is normal. Many students have this problem.
So today, we have 8 tips for you. 8 simple tips to help you start speaking English.
8 tips to help you unlock your English voice.
I love that. Unlock your English voice. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, tip number 1. This is a big one. It's called shadowing.
Shadowing. What is shadowing? Let me explain. Shadowing means you listen to someone speak English and you repeat what they say.
You copy them. You say the same words.
Yes. So, for example, you are listening to a podcast, like this one. You hear me say a sentence, then you press pause and you repeat the sentence.
Let's try it now. Maya, say a sentence.
Okay. I like to drink coffee in the morning.
Now, if you are listening, press pause and repeat. I like to drink coffee in the morning.
Did you do it? Good. That is shadowing.
It's very simple. Listen, pause, repeat.
And when you feel more confident, you can try to speak at the same time as the person. You don't pause, you just speak together.
This is very good practice. It helps your mouth learn the sounds. It helps your brain learn the rhythm of English.
The rhythm, yes. English has a rhythm, like music, and shadowing helps you feel that rhythm.
So, tip number 1, practice shadowing. Listen, pause, repeat.
Tip number 2. This one is fun. Create your English mode.
English mode? What does that mean?
It means you choose a time in your day, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and during that time, you only think and speak in English.
Only English. No other language.
Yes, and here is the secret. You talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself. I know. It sounds a little strange, but it works.
It really works. For example, you are in the kitchen, you are making breakfast, and you say out loud, I am making coffee now. I need a cup. Where is the milk?
The bread is on the table. I want some butter.
Yes, you narrate your day. You describe what you are doing in English.
This is so good because you're practicing, but there's no pressure. Nobody's listening. Nobody's judging you. It's just you.
Just you and your English. And you're training your brain. You are training your brain to find the words.
Because that is the problem, right? When we speak, our brain needs to find the words quickly. And if we don't practice, the brain is slow.
But if you practice every day, even 5 minutes, your brain gets faster and faster and faster.
So tip number 2, create your English mode. Talk to yourself in English for 5 or 10 minutes every day.
Okay, tip number 3. This one is very important. Stop memorizing single words.
Wait, what? Stop memorizing words?
Well, stop memorizing single words like cat, dog, book, house.
But those are important words.
Yes, they are, but knowing single words is not enough for speaking. When you speak, you don't say one word. You say groups of words, phrases, sentences.
Ah, I understand. So instead of learning one word, we should learn a group of words together.
Exactly. We call these chunks. A chunk is a group of words that go together.
Can you give us some examples?
Of course, here are some very useful chunks. That's a good point.
Oh, I use that one a lot. That's a good point. It means, I agree. That is a smart idea. Another one. Do you know what I mean?
Do you know what I mean? This is very natural. Native speakers say this all the time.
Here's another. Let me see.
Let me see. You say this when you need a moment to think.
And one more. That's interesting.
That's interesting. Very useful in conversations.
These chunks are like tools. They are tools for your mouth. When you learn chunks, your speech sounds more natural, more fluent.
Because you're not building sentences word by word, you already have pieces ready to use.
Exactly. So tip number 3, learn chunks, not single words. Learn groups of words together.
Tip number 4, and this one is simple but very powerful. Practice every single day.
Every day, even if it's just 5 minutes, even if it's just 10 minutes.
I know what some of you are thinking, but I'm busy. I don't have time.
And I understand. Life is busy. Work, school, family. But here is the thing. 5 minutes is enough.
5 minutes on the bus, 5 minutes before bed, 5 minutes in the shower.
The important thing is you do it every day. Not once a week, not twice a week. Every day.
Why?
Because speaking English is like a muscle in your body.
Yes, your English muscle. If you go to the gym one time, will you be strong?
No, you need to go every day, or almost every day. And slowly, you get stronger.
It's the same with English. If you practice a little bit every day, your English muscle gets stronger. Your brain gets faster. The words come more easily.
But if you stop for a long time, the muscle gets weak again.
So, tip number 4, practice every single day, even just 5 or 10 minutes. Keep your English muscle strong.
Tip number 5. This one, some people don't like, but it is very helpful. Record your voice.
Oh no, I don't like hearing my own voice.
I know, many people feel the same way. I don't love my voice either, but listen, recording yourself is one of the best things you can do.
Why?
Because when you record yourself, you can listen back. And when you listen back, you can hear your mistakes. You can hear which words are difficult for you.
Ah, that makes sense. So you can find your weak points.
Exactly. Maybe you have trouble with the word comfortable, or maybe the word interesting is hard for you. When you listen to your recording, you can find these words, and then you can practice them.
And what about your accent? Some students worry about their accent.
Your accent is beautiful. Your accent is just you. It's part of who you are. Don't worry about your accent. Focus on being clear. Focus on being understood.
I love that. Your accent is just you.
So, tip number 5, record your voice on your phone. Listen back, find the difficult words, and practice them.
Tip number 6. This one is fun. Do role plays.
Role plays. What is a role play?
A role play is when you imagine a situation and you practice speaking in that situation.
Like acting?
Yes, like acting. For example, imagine you are at a restaurant. What do you say? Hello, can I see the menu, please? I would like the chicken, please. Can I have some water?
See? You are practicing real words for a real situation.
What about the airport?
Good one. Excuse me, where is gate number 7?
I need to check in for my flight.
Is this the line for passport control?
Or a job interview.
Thank you for this opportunity.
I have 3 years of experience.
I am a hard worker.
This is so useful because when you are in the real situation, your brain is ready. You already practiced. You already know the words.
Your brain doesn't freeze because you prepared.
So, tip number 6, do role plays. Imagine a situation and practice speaking. At a restaurant, at the airport, at a job interview, at a shop, anywhere.
Tip number 7. And this one is maybe the most important tip of all. Make friends with your mistakes.
Make friends with your mistakes? That's a beautiful way to say it.
Many students are afraid of mistakes. They don't want to speak because they think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me?
I understand that feeling. It's scary.
It is scary, but here's the truth. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are great, actually.
Why?
Because mistakes are proof. Proof that you are trying. Proof that you are brave. Proof that you are learning.
That's so true. If you never make mistakes, it means you never try.
Exactly. And here's something very important to remember. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before.
Say that again, Alex.
Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before. You cannot be fluent first and then start speaking. No, you start speaking, you make mistakes, you learn from the mistakes, and then you become fluent.
So mistakes are part of the journey. They are not the enemy. They are your friend.
Your best friend. So please, don't be afraid. Speak, make mistakes, laugh at your mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and keep going.
Tip number 7, make friends with your mistakes. They are proof that you are brave.
And finally, tip number 8, the last tip. Practice responding.
Responding? What do you mean?
Well, a conversation is two-way, right? One person speaks, the other person listens, and then the other person speaks back. They respond.
Yes, listening is one part, speaking is the other part.
Many students are very good at listening. They listen to podcasts, they listen to songs, they listen to teachers, but they don't practice the other part, responding.
So, how can we practice responding?
Great question. One way is to use an AI chatbot on your phone. There are many free ones. You can talk to the chatbot, ask it questions, and it will ask you questions back.
And you have to answer. You have to respond.
Yes, and this trains your brain. It trains your answer speed. How fast can you think of a response? At first, it will be slow, but with practice, you get faster.
You can also find a friend who is learning English and practice together.
Yes, or find a teacher, or join an online group. The important thing is you practice the two-way conversation. Listen and respond.
Because in real life, people will ask you questions and you need to answer. You need to reply.
The secret is to train your brain to reply, not just to understand, but to reply.
Tip number 8, practice responding. Train your brain to reply.
Okay, let's review. Let's go through all 8 tips one more time.
Tip number 1.
Practice shadowing. Listen, pause, and repeat.
Tip number 2.
Create your English mode. Talk to yourself in English for 5 or 10 minutes every day.
Tip number 3.
Learn chunks, not single words. Learn groups of words together.
Tip number 4.
Practice every single day. Keep your English muscles strong.
Tip number 5.
Record your voice. Listen back. Find the difficult words and practice them.
Tip number 6.
Do role plays. Imagine real situations and practice speaking.
Tip number 7.
Make friends with your mistakes. They are proof that you are brave.
And tip number 8.
Practice responding. Train your brain to reply.
Those are amazing tips. I feel excited.
Me too. And remember, you don't need to do all 8 tips today. Start with one, just one. Try it today.
Maybe try shadowing with this episode. Go back to the beginning, listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat.
That's a great idea. Start small. Be patient with yourself and practice a little bit every day.
You are doing an amazing job just by being here. Just by listening, you are already learning.
We believe in you. We really do.
Thank you so much for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
Leave a comment below. Tell us, which tip is your favorite? Which tip will you try first? We want to hear from you.
And we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye!